Most of you that watch my content are looking to land the man of your dreams and then have that relationship progress. And most of you are still watching my content because you're frustrated because you've maybe been at this for years or a long time and you've not been able to accomplish it. Well, today I want to talk about the 2 S's and then how we're going to get this accomplished. So first of all, the 2 S's. What you need to land a guy is a strategy and a state of mind. So if you have the right strategy, you're going to land them, but only if you have the right state of mind. In today's video, we're going to focus on the state of mind through 5 high value attitudes that make a man go crazy for you, even if he's acting distant or pulling away. This stuff is powerful. We're going to get into it right after this. I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach, the most efficient online dating expert for women in the world. 5 high value attitudes. Number 1 is queen positivity. Oh, let me tell you, this is just so sexy, a woman that is positive. Let me give you an example. I think that's the easiest way to explain this. Imagine you're flying with your man to go on vacation, and then your flight gets delayed. Queen positivity says, this is great. Now we can go to that cute restaurant over there and go get a drink. For any man watching this, do you feel how amazing that was? I just thought whoa. This is a great woman. This is the type of woman I'd spend my life with because no matter what happened, she'd put a spin on it that's positive. Because we've all been there when our flight gets delayed, and what do? We hang our head and we go, ugh. Not queen positivity. She's excited. So imagine down the road, let's say for those folks that haven't had children yet or have, teenagers. What happens to the teenager? Oh, the flight's delayed, blah, blah, blah. Don't you want to co-parent or parent with someone who's going to spin it? Yes. Let's go to I saw that Xbox 2 hallways down. We'll go play that. That woman sounds great. Number 2 of 5 high value attitudes that make a man go crazy for you is a woman that is willing to walk away. This is so sexy. I can't, this one time I was dating a woman who literally worshiped the ground I walked on. And because of that, I could do no wrong. And I knew that there was no way she would ever leave me. So what happened? Even though I was a dating expert at the time, my effort level went down because I had no fear that she would ever leave. Now, instead of being the doormat, the woman that's willing to walk away holds her standard high and she presents it to a man. And this is so powerful. If he starts bringing his effort down, you're still sexy and happy and nice about it and positive. You say, hey, we have the greatest relationship. I'd love if you do this. I'd love if you'd take me on more dates. I'd love if you'd call me more. It'd make me so happy if you did X. So she brings the standard back up there. And then if he refuses to get up there, she walks away. And he knows it. If he knows that you are willing to walk away, he's going to step up. Or if he doesn't care that much about you, he's not. And that's fine. You guys weren't meant to be together. Number 3 is trust. And there's 2 phases of this. This is the early stages of dating and then again in a relationship. So in the early stages of dating, you're trusting that he is not going to go hot and cold. You have this mentality, you have this attitude that this guy has good intentions, and you just immediately put that vibe out, and he feels that. And that makes him want to do right by you because he knows that you're a trusting individual. Now, fast forward into a relationship. Your trust evolves. And this is one of the keys to relationships being successful, is your trust evolves into trusting that you are on the same team. He may say something stupid. I know I do it all the time. I say stupid things. But if you know that your guy, like me, has good intentions and is on your team, then you realize, although that was stupid, he meant it to be nice. He meant to be supportive. He meant to be on your same team. So coming from that trusting attitude is very sexy and draws a man in. All right, number 4 is a man putting in effort. You have this attitude that he has to put in effort. And you know what happens the moment he's pulling away and the moment he's not putting in effort? You get so turned off. Like, ugh, this man's not calling me. He's not texting me. He's not asking me on dates. That's not what I signed up for. And so embodying that really makes him want to put in the effort. This kind of echoes the one we were just talking about, is putting out this attitude of, you are a queen, come to my standard. Number 5 is life does not revolve around your man. What a sexy attitude. I think we've seen this, and it's crazy. Imagine you're this woman that when he takes you on dates, when he makes you feel special, when he calls, when he texts, you are high, you are on the moon, and you are happy. And, I have the greatest guy, and I feel wonderful. And then, when he doesn't text, he doesn't call, he doesn't make you feel special, your mood comes all the way down here, and now you're sad. This will not work for a man. What drives him crazy is a woman that's in control of how she feels. She takes it upon herself that she's happy, and she finds it through the stuff that she's doing. She has fun at work. She has fun with her friends. She has activities. She's fine reading a book, watching TV, going on a walk by herself. That is sexy. And then when he does stuff, cherry on top, you can come up here. All right, team, those are 5. Let's review real quick. Number 1 is the queen of positivity. Number 2 is a woman being willing to walk away. Number 3 is trusting in your man. Number 4 is the attitude that a man must put in effort. And number 5 is life does not evolve around your man. All right, team, do me a favor. Smash the like button. Don't be selfish. Share this with all your girlfriends so they can learn too. And please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. And if you have any questions, I got you. I'm the Rhino. Whoop, the Rhino. Whoop, there's the Rhino. Here to protect you. And we'll see you next time. Love all of you. Oh yeah, more videos if you want to watch more. Doot, doot.